Are you preparing the turmeric milk the right way? Just boiling a glass of milk and sprinkling a little bit of turmeric over the top? That is the wrong way. The method of preparation matters, and if you want your milk to be more medicated, prepare in this way. Turmeric is to milk is to water in the ratio 1:15:15 as mentioned in Dravya Guna Vijnana. There are different proportions mentioned, but this one is more good for children, old age people, pregnant ladies. If you feel difficulty in following the proportion, just take 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder along with 100 ml of milk and 100 ml of water and boil it and reduce to 100 ml. Have it and enjoy the benefits. Thank you.